Hello, if you want to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll all the way down pretty much to find general management and then go there. And now at the top, you can choose language. Over here, you will find the current language. You can also press add language in order to add a new one. So let's say we're gonna choose Spanish. Then you might need to select the region in some cases. And then we can either keep the current language or we can set the new selected language as default. So if you want to change the language to a new one, you probably want to set as default. And then the smartphone should update the language, as you can see over here. If you want to change back, you can once again select the same, the previous language. And after selecting it, after a few seconds, the smartphone should be updated and you should have it as the first one. If not, then there we go, it's actually updated. So you might need to wait like a couple of seconds before it is actually updated. You can also press edit over here in the top right corner in order to remove unnecessary, languages that we don't want to use anymore. Press delete, confirm by selecting remove, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!